Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please stop by and do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. My name is Ruby, beautiful natural makeup. For short you can call me Ruby. So today, you guys, there is not a makeup look or anything. I just want to show you a affordable ring light that I picked up from Amazon, which I am using. One of the reasons why I bought this ring light, because when the winter come in, the time intend to get really darker, and I flame right at my window here, but I always have my drape closed. So with me having this ring light, it will help me, and I think my video then will be more look a bit more better. Now I have a small ring light here, which is this one here, and I have been using this for a while. You can see this is the small ring light I have. I think I have this for about 2 or 3 years. I picked it up, but I need something more bigger so I can really do my video. Even if the time get dark, it's more better for me. So let's show you. I'm gonna turn myself off the camera, and I'm gonna show you the ring light that I picked up. Light, this is the ring light that I picked up. And one of the things why I really get this one, it's about 10 inches. So it have a part where you can put the phone. You can see right there, I can put my phone there if I want to do a video with my phone. This is it. And then down here, you have the part where you can use to put your iPad. So it have two separate parts, with one to put your phone, one to put your iPad. Whether it is an iPad or a Samsung tablet, you can put it there. And that's what I do. I use this part down here to put my tablets when I'm filming, and up here I use it if I want to use my phone. Now this ring light come with 3 different lights, so I'm gonna show you the 3 different light that this ring light come with. Okay, so this is one of the light that the ring light come with. You can use this ring light for whatever you're doing. You can also put it down. If you sit on the floor, you can use this ring light, like bring it straight down so you can sit on the floor. You can put it shorter, you can put it taller. I put it to my the way how I sit. It's also, this is one of the light that the ring light come with. And then I'm gonna show you the other light. This is one of the light that the ring light. I have 2 other light here that I want to show you. So this is, see with me guys, I'm using this. Okay, so this is another one of the light that the ring light also come with. And this also is another one that the ring light come with. So it come with 3 light, and you can adjust to the one that really suit you and look good for you when you're doing a video. When you buy the ring light, you don't get an adapter with it, which is, this is the adapter here, you guys. So I use this for my small ring light that I had, and you only get this piece here, and then you plug it into the adapter. So for instance, if you have a phone adapter, you can use the phone adapter with your ring light. Also, I got this remote for the ring light. So you have 2 camera on this, one with Apple and one with an Android, which I haven't set up yet. Now I'm using my tablets to make this video on the ring light same time I am talking to you. And I also got this bag where I can use, not to put the light in, but to put the tripod part in. So this is it. And then I also have another bag here where I can use this to put the light in. It also comes with an instruction on it. And this was under $60 for this ring light. And as I said, I bought this one because it can hold my iPad to do my video, because I use my iPad to do my YouTube channel, and also I can also use my phone, which is an Android phone. So I can use my phone if I want to do a video. I can use my phone also. And the ring light, you can bring down the tripod with the ring light to wherever suit you. So this is a 10 inches one, And then you can also use it if you sit down, like some people like to sit on the floor and do video. You can do that. If you want to sit on your bed or on a chair, I am sitting on a chair right now to do that. So this is my phone that I use not to video here, and this is the small ring light that I had before. This one, I have this for a while, and I think I bought this on Amazon. This still work, but because the way how it's small, and I'm trying here to see if when the winter come in, I can, and the time get darker, I can have a better way of filming my video. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. I sorry I didn't get to show you everything. This was something, it's not an unboxing because I already take it out of the box when I get it, because I wanted to set it up. My husband wants to set it up for me, so I take it out from I get it and ask my husband to set it up for me. And that's what it is, guys. So thank you again. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.